Yeah, I'm doing so great so far. Thank you for asking me. What about you? How have you
I'm
been?
very well. I'm very well. Actually, sorry, I have spoken with each other, but couldn't record. So that's why I want to again talk with you. So please tell me about yourself little bit, Archie.
Yeah, sure, no problem. So, as you already know, my name is Arshi,
Yeah.
and I am connecting from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about to my qualifications, so I have master degree in chemistry, and furthermore, I did BEd. So, after completing my study, basically, I was working as a chemistry teacher, and I taught for 2 years, and then like last year, I left my job, and this year, I would say that I am unemployed and
Hmm.
I'm just seeking job and I'm looking for a good or decent job. Yeah, but and additionally, I'm running a YouTube channel where
Hmm.
I'm uploading English conversation related videos,
Hmm.
and along with that, I'm learning this language, and moreover, I'm learning some other digital skill that because I always
You
keep
are.
plan B as well, because
Yeah.
if I will not get a job in my field, so that time I
Mhm.
will have some skill and I will have some certification that so I can go in another field as well and I can explore other field as well. And also I have numerous of hobbies. I love cooking, I love stitching, I love traveling, I love listening, I love watching English
Hmm.
content,
Wow.
I love reading. Yeah, and I love, I love doing different things. I love learning new things. And I love traveling, so I have so many
So you
hobbies. I
are
have
very
multiple hobbies.
enthusiastic person, I can say.
Yeah,
And
yeah, I
also
am
you're
very
doing,
enthusiastic.
very juggling type girl. You're very juggling girl.
Hmm.
So this is good, yeah. This is good. Very nice. And you're doing
Thank
just like
you.
I told. So well. So just you told, you new started, your uploading video YouTube. How long have been you started, uploading video on YouTube?
So basically, as far as I know, it's been 3 and 4 months. I have
Okay.
been uploading video on YouTube itself, and I think till now I have uploaded more than 30 video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
been 3 and 5 months.
What did you uploaded video? What did you upload
Uh,
video?
I upload English conversation related videos.
How many uploaded you video?
More than 30.
30.
30.
And how many
Hmm.
month?
How many months?
Ah.
I
Mm-hmm.
think in 3 or 4 months.
Okay. You are very, I can say you are very hustle and bustle. Just like you are very
Again,
fast. Yeah,
Aslam.
just I got your this word. That's why I used. You're right. Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
maybe, probably I am Hashal and Bashal.
yeah. So this is
Yeah.
good. By the way, I will share my introduction myself little bit. My name is Chandni.
Yeah.
I am from Bangalore. Actually, I want to talk stand person. So that's why, and also I want to enhance my communication. That's why I'm talking it people. So recently I started my YouTube. YouTube, uploading video. Recently, I can say
That's good.
couple of week.
Hmm. Couple of
So
them.
that's why, yeah. So normal, this is my normal life. That's it.
Okay. And what about your qualification? Like, are you
Yeah.
working?
Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, my post, I have, completed my post graduation, 2019. I had
Hmm.
completed my post graduation 2019, and I was doing job in Mumbai. But after my shift in Bangalore, so this time I'm looking job, work from home.
Just like
But
me,
yeah,
likewise.
I want to say that. So I can find, I have so many jobs, Naukri.com, LinkedIn, so many jobs available. But all job, international job, back
Job.
office,
Job.
and you can say voice process, everything available, very international. So that's why I'm not able to, how can find that job, and already upload na my CV. So so many HRs, calling daily, daily calling me. So for job. And I said, I am not able to. Domestic I can do, but international I am
Hmm.
not able to. This is very hard.
So you want
Now,
to get work from home
yeah, I'm
or
searching
in
work
your
from
area,
home.
in your city. Yeah, it is
Yeah,
good.
no, work from home I can do. Domestic I can do. Okay,
Hmm.
but international, because first of all English is different, and second, English hard, and second is, accent is very different. Foreign accent is
Hmm.
very different. So sometimes I couldn't understand. So what I will do? So that's why, don't, go fast. Please, I am, I am going, gradually. So that's
Yeah.
why. Miss,
So how
so many
many
lots of
years did
available job. If you
yeah,
want to do
yeah.
job, so you can upload, Naukri.com, a series, so you can find so many job. But
I
international.
I already
Oh,
uploaded on Naukri.com and I already uploaded on LinkedIn. I
yeah.
also have profile of LinkedIn.
Yeah.
But still I'm struggling. I think because maybe probably it might be the reason that I am a fresher and I
Why
have
are you
just
doing
2 years.
fresher? Why you mentioning fresher? You're not fresher, I thought, no? You had, teaching somewhere, no?
I have 2 years experience, but still I'm struggling.
Yeah, I can. If you have a 2 year gap now in your job, so HR, not accepted. You are,
Hmm.
experience. I can
Yes,
understand. Even
yes.
also my 2 year, I lost, I can say. So, some HR called me, and I said, yeah, already I have experience 2 years. So she told, no, actually, I need, recent, I need, gap, 6 months, not two
6 months
months.
gap.
Six
Two
month gap.
years.
But your
Yeah.
gap is too, what
2 years.
you more extra, I can say 2 year.
Yes.
So
2 years.
I can't, refer you.
I can't
So
remember. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
so
why.
that's why. So
So
then
in
sometime,
which field are you working? In which field were you
I
working?
was doing, bank sector,
Okay.
banking sector. I did SDFC
Okay. So
Bank.
you
So yeah. So my actually I completed my all education in Banaras.
oh,
But Banaras, but I my all family living, Mumbai. So I know very well Mumbai rather than Kashi. So
I
that's.
also know about Mumbai because my family member lives out there. I think my brother, my two brothers, they live with their family in
Okay, okay.
Mumbai. So
Which
I have
what
visited once
city?
my.
What
I
city living in
think
Mumbai?
yeah, they are living in Badlapur. Have you
Badlapur.
heard?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, my some my uncle living, Badlapur.
So they are
Yeah,
living there out
yeah.
there.
So I know very well. And after before marriage, one month I spent Badlapur area, and nearby, very very big, very huge mountain is there.
Yes, yes. And
Do you
I'm
know?
not recalling the name. Yeah,
So,
I
so many
think
temples available, but some temples
huh,
very famous, very huge temple. And me and my
huge.
brother went that
When
temple.
they
Yeah, ride,
yeah.
you can say ride. So that was amazing experience.
So much stair, I think when we
Stairs not
visit.
available.
No,
This is a
stairs not
mountain,
available.
na? This is a mountain. How
Huh.
can you mention? How can
Yeah, yeah.
stairs there without stair? Both went, that mountain. If you
Uh,
would go na that mountain na, that feeling is amazing. It's very
uh,
silent, and you can say meditation
peaceful,
type,
the
peaceful, everything.
nature,
You will
peaceful and
never come out.
breezy.
You will never come out, your city area
That from
because very
that area.
peaceful. It's very
Mhm.
nice. I like that. And by the way,
So since
basically,
childhood, so
mhm.
since childhood you were living in Mumbai and after married you shifted in Bangalore. If
Yeah,
I'm not wrong.
yeah, right,
Oh,
right, right. You're right. So
okay.
yeah, this time living Bangalore. Bangalore also very nice.
Yeah,
Very
it's also
very costly, and
so,
area city
mm,
Bangalore. And Mumbai,
And
rather than.
also, if we
Mhm.
want to live in Bangalore, so I think, as far as I know, if I'm not wrong, we should know about this language very well. If we want to
Yeah.
survive in Bangalore,
Mhm.
otherwise
Yeah.
it would be difficult for you if
Yeah, yeah,
someone
I agree.
doesn't know this
Mhm.
language.
Mumbai
Hmm.
mother tongue is a Marathi, so I know
Marathi.
Marathi little bit, but
Yeah.
no need, Marathi Hindi is similarly, I can
It's
say.
similar. Yeah,
But
it's
if you would come, Bangalore, their mother tongue is a Kannada, but most of people talking English.
in English.
So that's why
Hmm.
this side environment, you can say English type. And
English, English,
yeah,
English.
English.
I think in
So
Bangalore, English is mandatory. English has
yeah,
become mandatory.
because the job
Hmm.
hub is there, no? So that's why
Hmm.
it's a very
Hmm.
mandatory English. And without English, you can't live, south side.
South side,
You
yeah, because
can't
you
live.
don't know their mother tongue. So
Hmm.
how you will survive if you want
Yeah,
to, if you want to go in south side, if you want to
yeah,
get a job in south side, so that time
very
you
mandatory.
should have command on this language.
Yeah.
At least you should
Hmm.
know like survival English that
Hmm.
you can survive.
Yeah, and I can say na, Bangalore. Having said that, you can manage, English if you live in Bangalore. But if you would go, Chennai na and Tamil Nadu, Chennai, so you
Hmm.
can't speak Hindi.
So,
You can't,
yeah,
without English, people can't accept you. Who are you?
exactly.
Just like you will kill.
Hmm.
English is a
Oh
mandatory.
my God.
Chennai is a mandatory English. Yeah. You can say
Hmm.
most south area is Chennai and Tamil Nadu.
Tamil
Very high.
Nadu, yeah. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Yeah.
Karnataka. Even Kerala also, like Kerala also, like, so I have, I had gone,
I had
Kerala.
Kerala is
So
amazing.
amazing. 7 day I
Amazing.
spent there. I was spent
Yeah.
there. So amazing. So many greenery. Okay, and
Yeah.
everything. Greenery is amazing. Mountain greenery, amazing.
Amazing.
Even also my side also, so many greenery and mountains there because I am living Tamil Nadu and Bangalore living border.
Between.
Between
Okay.
I'm
The
living
border.
a border.
Okay.
So it's very nice. So many greenery and so many villas is there. So many villas is there. No, and you
Hmm.
can't find too much, building in Bangalore. And most
Hmm.
of, apartment and villas. Yeah. And famous is the Indiranagar. The famous city,
Indiranagar.
Indiranagar.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I have heard about
Hmm.
Indiranagar.
Very
Indiranagar.
costly. I was living there.
Okay.
So many party and
So,
club like there, na. So
so how many years did you live there?
Indiranagar. 8 months.
At for the job purpose?
Yeah, my husband that time doing, work from
They out there.
office, and now he
Hmm.
shifted, work from office, work from home.
Work
So
from
that's
home.
why no need. And he like, also, greenery and mountain. So he decided. I
Mountains,
said also all
nature,
people like, mountain and greenery, so water.
everyone.
So I said okay. Also I like. That's why I'm searching work from home because my side is
Hmm.
very city is very far. You can say I can't go. I can 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer. So that's why.
Hmm.
That's why I can't. I couldn't, do work from office job. That's the reason.
Yeah, I think so. Like I think in this era, finding a job, getting a new job is really daunting task. It's really
Yeah,
big deal. It's really very
very
big
big.
deal. It's not easy. It's
This is
not
a
our
rough
cup of
patch.
tea.
You can say this is a rough
Yes,
patch. So
that
now
patch.
this
Yeah.
time, also I am, hustling this situation. I need job because whole time
Uh,
I feel bored. That's why I
Born.
decided. That's why I decided I
Yeah.
will upload, YouTube channel and I will talk in a strange person. Then I can, feel better.
You
Okay.
can, you can occupied
Yeah,
with
occupied, right,
YouTube and
exactly.
with the conversation and with having, sessions. So you will
Mm-hmm.
feel that I am not all the time. I'm not feeling monotonous. I'm not feeling humdrum. So I
Mm-hmm.
think for me, what I think that I should keep busy all the time. I don't
Mm-hmm.
want to sit idle at home. And
Yeah.
but I think still I am struggling to little
Mm-hmm.
bit. I am just free, but
Mm-hmm.
I have a plenty of time, so I am just utilizing my time in a very productive way, in a very
Mm-hmm.
constructive way, that
Yeah, yeah.
I have a ample of time, so I can work upon on myself. So
Mm-hmm.
and after next year I will be better to get a good job, and I
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
become a best version of myself.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
that's why I'm,
Mm. So,
yeah, sparing my time.
so you told you living, UP. So,
Hmm.
which city you living in UP?
Yeah, I live in Bijnor. Bijnor
Bijnor.
city, and
Okay.
also Bijnor is a district.
Bijnor, I think, is a in Delhi.
No,
Attaching, I thought.
no.
Bijnor and Delhi.
It's nearby Meerut. If you have
Meerut.
heard about Meerut, so
Yeah, yeah.
it's a nearby Meerut or Muradabad, we can
Mhm.
say. I must say.
Muradabad, and also I know, and yeah, Meerut also I know, because my
Hmm.
sister was living there. So
Okay.
because sugar factory, my Jiju was doing job, no, sugar
Job.
factories.
Sugar.
So very huge
Okay.
factories there. Do you know? I thought
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I know.
So now this time he shifted, Ghaziabad, and
Hmm.
he
Ghaziabad is just nearby of Meerut.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So the recently he bought villa.
Oh, okay.
My sister, he bought, and now and my Jiju is doing work in Kerala. I thought same
Okay.
factory. He's a, you can say, post. He shift a job. Shift na. So that's
Switch.
switch,
He
right?
switched. He
Switch the
switched
job.
his job.
Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, yeah.
So
It's
that's
okay.
why.
It's happen. Sometimes it's happen. Sometimes also it's happen
Yeah.
with me either that
Hmm.
when I talk, so I feel lack of
Hmm.
words, and
Yeah.
sometimes I feel that I'm not finding, I'm not
Hmm.
getting right word at the right time.
Yeah.
And after conversation,
Hmm.
I will find so many words that I say
Yeah.
I know I can
I
speak
should
this.
talk. I should have spoken with her, but I couldn't talk. Oh, I forgot. I can
I
totally
forgot.
understand.
Yeah, it's just how it's just from my mind. Why
Yeah.
I didn't say this word
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
that time.
Hmm.
We also feel this kind of
Yeah,
situation.
exactly. And my husband also, he doing so many work this time, and you can say he's a very juggling person.
Exactly.
He's a very juggling person, and I am not like that, because
Mm,
recently, just like I told again, I want to say, open YouTube channel for my. I
mm.
want to remove my boring sadness. That's why.
Yeah, you want
That's why.
to
Yeah.
you
After
want to overcome your boring
overcome,
life,
yeah.
and you just
Yeah,
want to
I
add
want to
some
overcome my
spice in
life.
your life,
Yeah.
some air flavor you want to add. Yeah, it's good. No, we should keep changing our routine, and
Mhm.
and we should keep adding some values
Mhm.
in our
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
It will
Yeah.
be good for us, for
Mhm.
others as well.
Yeah. So you got married, I thought.
No, no.
No. Okay,
Mhm.
okay. So that's why
Yeah.
you are very free. No, I'm
Yeah,
also
that's
got married, but also I'm free. This is wrong way, but
yeah. I would
uh,
say it's a privilege that you have free time, but most of the case, I have seen that there is no free time for
mhm.
especially married women. They
Yeah.
do so many things at the same time. If
Mhm.
she's working, so at the same time she has done, she will have done work, household work
Mhm.
as well, household chores she has handled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm living in husband wife, na. So I have no,
Yeah.
household chores,
Yes,
so
yes,
many.
yes,
So
yes.
it's a little bit. So I can manage, na.
Yeah, you can
So
manage.
yeah, that's why. So I would say, if I have so many, joint family living. maybe that
Hmm.
time I can't, left time for talk,
Yeah.
a person, strength
Hmm.
person. So that's why it's a common thing.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
your sibling, you have sibling?
Yeah, of course, I have
Hmm.
siblings. Yeah.
How? Two, three, four.
We are six, three
Oh,
sister, including me. We are three sister and three brother.
oh. So you are elder
And
and
one sister
younger.
and three brothers have got married,
Mm-hmm.
and we are no, two brother has and one sister have got married,
Okay,
and
okay.
now we
You're confused. You don't
yeah,
know.
I can
Oh my
yeah, I
God.
can.
Uh,
Yeah.
so good. Acha, so you are elder or younger?
No, I'm middle one.
Middle
I'm
one.
not
Oh.
elder. I'm not younger.
Oh, yeah. Means you
Yeah.
have a golden chance. You can do any unique, you can do any unique things.
Thing.
Build, you
Yeah.
can do anything. You have an
Y-
opportunity, I can say.
Yes, I have. Yeah, I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
opportunity. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm just trying to grab that opportunity because I have time. So in this at this time, I just want to grab an opportunity and just want to utilize my time in a very
Yeah.
proper way. So that's why I'm working and I'm looking for job and also I'm working on YouTube as well.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is good time pass, you can say. This don't say it's not time pass. You can say both. Okay. I'm doing practice and time pass both, and I can found so many knowledge. If you talk in a stand person, this is good. Most important, you can collect in knowledge. So this is good.
And also through on this conversation,
Mhm.
we can get exchange our ideas, and also we can most of the most important things is we are able to practice
Mhm.
because we barely get the opportunity to talk with people. So
Mhm.
on this application we are getting opportunity for practice, so we can enhance our communication skill, and simultaneously in order to get fluency we can improve our fluency as well. So it is a very good platform
Yeah,
now in
yeah,
this
and I
time.
can say this is appropriate for me and you also.
Hmm.
And I
Yes,
can say
of
art.
course.
So this is good. Uh, very well. So you have any question? So you want to know about my city and also I know about your city because also I was living there. So because I can say
When you were
uh,
leaving?
Banaras. Do you know Banaras?
Yeah, I think it is also in UP,
Yeah,
Banaras.
UP is famous
Banaras pan is
Banaras.
very famous.
Yeah, Banarsi sari and Banarsi
Banarsi
pan.
sari, Banarsi
Yeah.
pan. Two
So
things are really very famous in all
famous.
over the India.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and some temples very famous. Vishwanath temple is very
Yes.
famous.
Yes, very
So
famous.
very and some college very famous. BHS college very
Yes.
famous. So
Yes, yes, yes,
yeah,
yes, yes. So,
Banaras.
how many years did you live in Banaras?
Uh,
As you told that your study completed, your whole study completed in Banaras.
yeah, yeah.
If I'm
So actually, my born was in Mumbai, just like I told. And
hmm.
after 10 year, I came, village, means Banaras.
Okay.
And, summer vacation, summer vacation, I went, Mumbai for spend time with my brother and sister. So that's
Sister.
why, and I can't find, uh, LKG to post graduation. Okay,
Mm.
huge time I spend Kashi. So
Gosh.
and between and there during that during between so many time I went Mumbai. So
Mm. For
and
visiting purpose,
yeah,
not
visiting,
living purpose.
not
For
living.
visiting.
Yeah,
Hmm.
after completed my post graduation I went forever.
For
Yeah.
yeah.
For actually, I was doing job, no, that's why. And sometime
Mm.
I came in a village. Uh, because of I had come in village because of because of some I have a joint family, so 14 sister and 13 brother, joint family. So some marriage and sister
14
brother.
sister? 14 sister?
14, 14, 1 4 is a joint
14.
family because I have a
Hmm.
father and uncle na. So
Okay.
yeah, not my own, don't say.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I
yeah,
can I
so
understand.
yeah, so some my brother and sister marriage time I have to
A cousin sister,
yeah,
cousin,
cousin
your cousin,
sister, cousin
cousin
sister.
sister and brother.
Yeah,
Yeah.
marriage time
Hmm.
I have to come village. So that time uh
I think
I
I
come.
would say, I must say that you
I was
lived
come.
both life, like you lived a village life and simultaneously you lived a city
Hmm.
life.
I doing up
And
down. I was doing up down up down. This is a come because it's very easy. Mumbai and Banaras, Mumbai and Banaras. It's my huge family, and also my all uncle and father doing some father doing work from sorry, not some government job, and also some
Mm.
brother doing out of country job. It's a very huge family, na.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I can resonate because I also live in a big family. Not a very big family, yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
I would say that I live in also joint family.
Mm-hmm.
So I think I have three uncle and their children, like cousin sister, and also I have five siblings,
Mm-hmm.
including me. We are six, but now we don't live together because, as I said, that my two brothers and one sister has got married, and
Mm-hmm.
also my uncle and aunt, two uncle and aunt also live in Mumbai. They
Okay,
also live
okay.
in Mumbai,
Oh,
in
nice, nice.
Badlapur. Yeah, and
Yeah.
yes, and one uncle is live in another city, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
not. I think Bandra.
Yeah,
I
I know
think I'm
Bandra.
not.
Yeah, Bandra is
No,
very
Bandra.
famous.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one uncle lives there, out there, and my elder uncle and we live together.
Okay, okay, nice,
But
nice.
my uncle has only one son, so
Okay,
he lives with us. Yeah,
okay. And this is good. Very good.
yeah.
So yeah, I have spoken lot of word and I got so many I can say knowledge I got. So
My
actually,
my
sorry.
network battery out.
Yeah, I think network issue your side, I thought.
Mhm.
So actually, I have to wrap up the call. This is a
Yeah.
good, I can say, fruitful conversation with us. So
Yes, yes, yes,
yeah,
yes. So
so
yeah, I think it's time to wrap up the call
yeah,
because
yeah, sure, sure.
you frozen on my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
But I would say before leaving the conversation, before leaving the session, I would say that it was really nice. It was really wonderful.
Bye bye. Thank you.